Namaskar. You see, yoga is not only just thoughts, yoga is not only action, yoga is life, yoga is you. Yoga is not simply stretching your arms or relaxing your spine or tucking your tummy in. It is balance, it is happiness and joy. If you want these things, then learn what to avoid according to a yogic life. Here are top yogic don'ts for happy, successful, and prosperous life. First, don't hurt yourself or others whenever you do anything. See, we think that hurt is only physical, but you hurt yourself if you think badly about yourself. You hurt others too when you speak ill of them. Yoga tells us that when we align with what is good and strong in our thoughts, words, and action, then we are truly on the path of well-being. So remember what the first yogic don'ts of ahimsa tells us. Don't hurt yourself or others. The pain is unnecessary when you can have so much joy. Next yogic don't to stay away from is asatya or lying. See, remember that if you will say one lie, you will have to say 10 other lies to protect that one original lie. Lie after lie will pile upon you, and you will always have to carry these burdens. Yoga emphasizes on speaking the truth. Be truthful and be honest with your work, with people, and everyone around you. And be truthful to your own self. When you live truthfully and speak the truth, you become fearless. Third, don't steal. The yogic don'ts for this is called as asteya or non-stealing. Do not take something that belongs to others. Do not take something that others deserve. Sometimes people take credit of somebody's work and achievements, which is the form of stealing. Every form of corruption is an act of stealing. Even using someone's ideas without giving a reference or credit are also a form of stealing. Become aware and make sure you are not taking something that belongs to others. Now let's look at the next big no in yogic life. Hoarding. Don't hoard unnecessary things. Sometimes we possess more than required for our health and wellness. But yoga says, learn to live with things that are just enough for your health, others' health, and security. See, ask yourself, if you had a full stomach, would you keep filling your plate? No, right? Unless you want to spoil your stomach and spend whole day running to the washroom. The same formula applies to everything in life. When you have money, you don't hoard money. When you have enough clothes, you don't stock up on clothes. When you buy things you don't need or hoard things you don't need, you show a scarcity mindset. And the final thing is brahmacharya. It means controlling your senses. Always remember, your sensory impulses could lead to cravings and attachments. It can lead to distractions and lack of concentration. We often forget our duties and goals in our life just because of overindulgence in sensory activities and entertainment. Even our health gets affected because of overindulgence in sensory pleasures. Sensory attachment could be in any form, like cravings towards food, attachment to luxuries, sexual desires, etc. So, adopt these yogic don'ts in life and become the best possible version of you and life. Namaskar.